Hi everyone, this is Cal Love and welcome to my channel. So I'm doing an update video on my paid study, which I started September the 9th with a 2-day stay in 17 outpatients. So I finally finished my 17 outpatients in November 11th. So I got my last 2 checks from that. So I kept my checks all together because I deposited. Yep, I deposited all together yesterday. I deposited in my bank. So it came to $8,640, and I deposited it into my savings account. So these are my deposits. So right there, the $150 I had to do, she did it separately. But yeah, these are my deposits. So for my paid study, and yeah. It felt good depositing $8,640. I ain't never got that much money all together like at one time, so that felt good. I felt rich for a second. But am I rich? No. Did I get some money? Yes. This stuff is gonna go to bills, and just like I said, this is like a side hustle that I'm doing to because my goal is for next year, I want to get out of debt free. I just want to get out of debt. And the first thing I'm going to do is pay Wells Fargo off. Wells Fargo, bye-bye, it got to go. There's a couple things I want to do. So that's just my update. And then I went to I just left the bank and I went to Sam's Club to use the bathroom. And I ended up spending like $83. But yeah, I just bought some soap, some Olay soap. It was in some body wash, it smelled good. And I saw some protein shakes. I'm plant-based, so I'm gonna try that. And it's chocolate, and I really shouldn't be having chocolate because chocolate do break me out. I think that's why my spot is not healing up. But anyway, I'm just checking in and doing an update video on my play studies, and doing some errands for Friday. I had to get my car service, so that was extra $300. Then the pet bill. This was mostly my car and my pet. I had to pay the pet bill yesterday. I had to take my dog to the veterinarian. So that was another $300. So yeah, you get the money, but then it goes fast. So it's like you just never know. So hopefully I'll be able, once I do my 30 day, you can do another studies every 30 days after the last study. So my last study, I should have one more day. I'm gonna call and see if I can do another studies. I have to do a 30-day wash before you can do another study. So that's what I'm gonna wait for and see if because I tried to call like last week, and she was like, no, I'll call back in like December the 12th. So that's actually in a couple days. I'm gonna call Monday and see if I can get another paid study. And yeah, so I can just pay some stuff off right now. But thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and please watch my other videos. It will tell you about the paid studies that I'm doing. Like it could be in your area if you Google paid studies, and then it might come in your area. Maybe this is something you want to do or something. But like I said, this was my first big paid study. This is the first stuff that I never did this type of thing before, but it was pretty basic. It was easy. I didn't have any side effects from the paid study. And it is like a paid study is like before it goes on the market, medicine goes on the market, they need like volunteers to test it, healthy volunteers or whatever. And then this is for arthritis. So arthritis is really kind of bad in our family. So didn't have proof science. I don't have arthritis, I don't think. But it was just one injection. I'm just gonna tell it all. So it was one injection in which I got paid $8,640 for completing the whole paid studies. Like from the beginning, I have a video from the beginning to the end, and please watch it, guys. Like I said, this is like some easy money that I ain't, I was like, this is better than trying to invest into the stock market, because the stock market, you just never know, goes up and down. So with this, it's kind of like a guarantee that it's a requirement, but if you complete it, then yeah. But anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. subscribe to my...
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So this is just an update because I haven't been posting. This is an update on what I finished on my paid study. So the paid study that I just finished, that paid me $8,640. Yep, $8,640. And it was I'm just doing an update. It was a 2-day stay for a paid study. I will link the information for anyone that's interested. But first, you know what you need to do? Like, subscribe to this channel so I can give you some information, give you some free information. This is better than the stock market. This is better than putting money in Bitcoins, you know, that crypto. You know, this is quick money right here, and it's easy too. If you have a little patience, it do require with a physical and all kind of different, do require with some requirements now. But I'm just gonna show you guys. So I started this paid study in September, at the beginning of September, and I stayed there for 2 nights. And then after 2 nights, I had 17 outpatient visits where I had to go, not all at once. For the first 7 days, I had to go every day straight. And then it was every 2 days the previous week until I completed 17 office visits. And then it was going to 7 days after that. But anyway, after I finished, it was a total of 8,640. So to prove it, yeah, my checks. So this is what, so the 150 here is when my screening. So they pay you for your screening. So that's the 150. And yes, I kept all my checks. They pay you in checks, no credit cards or nothing like that. It's a check, all of them in checks. So I just kept them all because I wanted to deposit all at once. So this is dated, what is this, for September, so I'm gonna have to deposit it tomorrow. So this is for the screening. I can't show you everything. Prior information. This is 2,550. So the 2,550 was for the 2-day stay. So it was 500 to check in, 400 to overstay, and something else. I don't know. But it put it all in once. And for the 2-day stay that I stayed was 2,550. And they added some other stuff into it. And this, and then I got a check for 2,000. So they just went ahead and added a couple weeks to that. And then I have a check for, and then after that, they just put them all in 400. So this is the outpatient. This is the 400. So every time that I went and did my outpatient visits, they pay you $400. So you're not gonna get your $400. You're not gonna get paid until the 7 to 10 business days after that visit, but you will get paid. So they will pay you for your time to come in and check. So this is the 400 for the outpatients. This is another 400. Another 400. Another 400. If you want to add it up, go ahead. Another 400. 400. 400, 400, 400, and 150. So they pay me extra 150 because I completed all my visits. So they give you an extra incentive for completing all of the for the whole process. So yeah, my checks. Check. Like I said, this is easy. It just requires your patience. It requires some evaluations, but just go ahead and look at the video, and I have explained it from detail to detail. Each time that I went and visit, I did a video. It was all in one. So just complete it. Watch the video to the end. But what y'all want to do, please like and comment to my channel, guys. And this is the paid study that I did, a 2-day paid study, 8,640. Ooh, yeah, I ain't rich, but I do got some money. I ain't rich though, yeah. Like they say, you have to have, nowadays, you have to have multiple streams of income. So why not do a paid study? I got another coming up for $5,000. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.